The corner room was founded, or basically it started in 1926. The building itself had been here a little bit longer. We've been a hospitality center since 1855, actually, the same year as the college. It's called Jack's Roadhouse back in the 1800s, but yeah, the corner room is over 92 years old now.
My name is Scott Shive. I am the kitchen manager here at the corner room. I've been working here for the past 9 years. Kind of revamped the menu, brought in some stuff the students could enjoy while keeping some of the more nostalgic kind of things the regulars have come to enjoy over the years. They kind of expect just regular everyday food, but we put kind of an upper class spin on it. Traditional stuff is what everyone comes here for: shepherd's pies, Reubens, burgers. We do a lot of things differently than some of the other places downtown, but we do a lot of things well too.
I think it's tradition, you know, much like Penn State football, for example, and Penn State, even the academics, obviously. The corner room is one of those good places, I think, that students can come for an inexpensive meal. We won't break the wallet, but yet you'll get something like a hot turkey sandwich, hot turkey dinner, or a burger for less than $10 a lot of times. It's a good way for students, if they're a little homesick or missing home, that home-cooked style meal, they can get at a reasonable price.